it's here. The Oesd Midnight Manor is the newest in their collection of the Haunted Village freestanding pieces that are perfect for Halloween. And I can't wait to show you the newest, hottest thing for Halloween this year. Hi, I'm Sara from sewingmastery.com and our store, Heirloom Creations in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. And these are the newest collections from Oesd. And our favorite piece in here is the glow in the dark thread. The accents on these items, including the pumpkins and the spider, glow in the dark. So we are going to put links in the description to where you can download the brand new Midnight Manor and the Spiderweb Pumpkin Patch Collection. Their newest of the pumpkins have arrived and they have the perfect positions to place that glow in the dark thread. So it looks fantastic. Now stabilizers, they're going to be your key for making everything stand up nice and straight so you don't have droopy pumpkins. Plus, in the description below, the links will take you to not only a download option, but a CD option and a pack of stabilizer if you just want to go ahead and get the whole kit. Now, if you're saying, Sara, these look amazing, but I don't understand my embroidery machine completely. It's not my best friend just yet. Then join me in the Embroidery Essentials online course, where I'll teach you 15 different embroidery techniques, including freestanding lace and how to get it to come out perfect every single time. Now, the way these work for the standalone designs is that you mix Oesd Badge Master, one layer, Oesd Aqua Mesh, one layer, and those two are going to help give you a nice, stiff, finished result. So again, things don't kind of lean. Well, maybe you do want that during Halloween, but traditionally, if you leave it standing up, that it will stay perfectly set. And don't forget, you do want some stable stick cutaway stabilizer. That's going to go underneath the fabric part of these designs. And by the way, in the new Midnight Manor, we are using Oesd's new sparkle vinyl, and it is a little different than the vinyls and glitter sheets that are out there now. I really like the way this looks, the way it stitches, and the final result when it is done. Then you can place little pixie lights up underneath the village items so they will glow. And there are white pixie lights and actually colored ones. I think the white ones would probably be best for this. And this is going to be the fourth one in Oesd's Haunted Village collection. So if you love Halloween, there are 3 other buildings that you can actually stitch. And I'll even put the link to the coffin that you can also download and have a little place to hide some candy and goodies. So check out all the pumpkins, check out the new Midnight Manor, plus make sure you pick up the right stabilizers so you're successful every single time. And if this is the year you're going to master your embroidery machine, I'll see you in class soon.